everybody, Amanda with Gilcrease Nature Sanctuary. I have a bird toy that we're going to make with things that you could possibly have in your own home. A clean egg carton. It can't have any remnants of egg yolk or whatnot on it. Only eligible if it's 100% clean and sanitary. Maybe you have those little coin wrapper things. Not sure what these are called, but you know the ones where you put your coins in when you take them to the bank. Shredded paper. Now, not newspaper, not magazine paper that's on the glossy, slick paper that has an ink on it that you're not going to want to use. I wouldn't use the part of the newspaper that has all the coupons and has a lot of colored ink. I would just use the basic newspaper or basic paper that's not shiny or glossy. And you can shred it up, cut it up, and you can pre-buy the kind that's real pretty. It's just that's more money. And then coffee filters, okay? So you take a coffee filter and you fill it with some paper. I'm gonna do 3, okay? Good. Then I'm going to bunch it together so that the paper is inside. I'm going to twist it, and then I'm going to pop it through one of these holes. Let's do another one. And another one. Okay, then on this side, you're going to want to open it really pretty, make it interesting and cheerful. Okay, then you'll take some paper and you'll stuff it into these coin things. Okay, and then you're going to pop, just put it inside there, that's fine. Oops. Are you the kind of crafter that likes to have everything pre-planned and have a little pattern and measure twice, cut once? I'm not. I kind of just go with the seat of my pants. Intuitive, spontaneous, just kind of figure it out. Don't give me anything from IKEA. I don't like to look at the instructions. I kind of like to approach it like a puzzle and just see if we can figure it out. This is going to help the birds forage. They're going to feel like they're digging and hunting and searching for fun little goodies. And on that note, if you want extra credit, inside of here, you could even add some more fun stuff. Let's just do paper, okay? But what they'd really love is if you put some nuts in here. So then the nuts are their special little treat. Uh-oh, doesn't want to fit. Wait for it. See, like I said, let's just figure it out as we go. Putting these coin pieces in the little holes. Okay. And then closing it up. Aha! Check it out. It's a fun bird toy that they're going to love to destroy. Let's go give it to somebody.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.